Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your portfolio with Fidelity step by step clearly. Begin by creating a Fidelity account if you don't already have one. Visit the Fidelity website and click on Open an account. Select the type of account you wish to open, such as an individual brokerage account or an IRA. Fill out the necessary personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Set up your login credentials, choosing a strong password for security. After your account is set up, fund your account with an initial deposit. Determine your investment goals by assessing your risk tolerance and time horizon. Research different investment options available through Fidelity, such as stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds. Utilize Fidelity's tools and resources to analyze potential investments. Create a diversified portfolio by selecting a mix of asset classes. Consider dollar cost averaging, investing a fixed amount regularly. Monitor your investments periodically to ensure they align with your goals. Rebalance your portfolio as needed to maintain your desired asset allocation. Take advantage of Fidelity's educational resources to stay informed about market trends. Explore advanced trading tools if you are experienced, to take your strategy further. Engage in research and strategy adjustments based on performance and market changes. Assess your portfolio's performance regularly and make necessary adjustments. Keep an eye on fees and commissions to maximize your returns. Utilize tax-efficient strategies to optimize your long-term growth. Stay disciplined and avoid emotional reactions to market fluctuations. Continue to learn and adapt your investment strategy as needed over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.